in this 1-minute tutorial, we're going to talk about basic finger picking techniques for the right hand. Okay, first thing to know, P, I, M, A, we don't use the pinky. P for thumb, I for index, M for middle, A for ring finger. Why? I think it's based on Spanish. Pulgar, índice, medio, anular. Remember that the thumb, for the most part, always plays the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, whereas the index always plays the 3rd string, the middle always plays 2nd string, and the ring always plays the 1st string. When I say always, that's just for beginning. So, check it out. If I was playing a E minor chord, then I would play my thumb on the lowest note of the chord, and then I would play 3rd, 2nd, 1st, in that order. So 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st. If I was going up, if I was going backward, I do 6th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And you can do that up and down. 6th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, if we're playing in 6/8, for example. Then for like C major, you do the same thing. You play the lowest note of the chord with your thumb, and then let these 3 fingers take care of the other notes, which is the 3rd, 2nd, 1st strings. D is the same thing. 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. There you go. A very basic 1-minute tutorial on finger picking. See you next time. Bye.